Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your audio. Backup recordings and note custom equalizer presets so nothing is lost. Once done, make sure battery is above 20% and disable Bluetooth and wired headphones to rule out external output. Now open Settings and go straight to Sound or Sound and Vibration to access volume sliders. Test media, ringtone, and notification channels briefly so you can compare behavior before changes. This establishes a safe baseline prior to deeper resets. You will now clear app-level audio interference. Go to Apps, pick suspect apps like Music or Messenger, and clear cache and data so corrupted settings are removed. Next, reset system sound profiles and equalizer back to default and toggle Do Not Disturb off and on to refresh routing. This fixes profile conflicts. If issues persist, reboot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is responsible. Once in safe mode, test audio to narrow down the culprit before uninstalling. Finish by performing a targeted reset. Reset network and system settings if software fixes failed, because routing and permissions sometimes stay corrupted. Then do a full restart and run the built-in speaker diagnostics or record a voice memo to confirm sound output. This verifies whether issue is resolved. If you still hear no sound, make sure to clean the speaker grill gently and try wired headphones. If hardware remains suspect, contact a repair service. If nothing works, that one tip, test in safe mode, often reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.